Hi everyone, I hope you are all well. I am going to show you few DIY ideas to repurpose your all unused sweaters. These DIY presents are as fun to make as they are to give. On top of being super meaningful, DIY presents are also easy on your wallet. Lay out one of your hands on the sweater with your fingers together and your thumb out at the side. Trace around the outline of your hand. Don't forget to add 2 centimeters seam allowance all the way around. Cut out your mitten pattern. This will give you 2 mitten-shaped pieces of fabric. Flip the mittens inside out and securely pin them together. Stitch around the edge of both mittens, leaving more or less 1 centimeter seam allowance. Flip the material right side out and your mittens are ready to wear. Take a sweater and cut the sleeves off at the desired length. Try them on to see how they fit. If the leg warmers are too loose, measure them so they are as tight as you want it against your legs. Pin the excess all the way down from top to bottom. Sew along and cut off the excess. Using a zigzag stitch, sew the hand of your leg warmers. You can make yourself a cozy headband to keep your ears warm. Cut the sweater into one piece. Fold the piece lengthwise and sew along the sides. Sew the ends together and cut the excessive fabric. Put your feet in each of the sleeves of the sweater. Use the scissors to cut the desired length. Trace the outline of your foot on the sweater and cut around. knit the foot material to the end of the sleeve you just cut off. Cut a straight line across under the armpits to divide the sweater in two parts. Sew a seam along the bottom and the sides of the bag. To give it a finished appearance, I cut a piece of denim and sew it along the top of the body of the sweater bag. Create handles for the sweater bag by cutting two long strips. Sew them along the edge on the wrong side of the fabric and sew them together to create a long strip. Stitch the strip on each side of the bag. For this DIY, I'm using a piece of twine and a button. Thread the twine through the button holes. Tie each pair of strings into a knot. Grab both ends and tie another knot to finish the bracelet. Trim your extra string. Let me know what you think about these DIY projects in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.